This is the wild story of a mobile game that copied its way to a billion-dollar empire.
So this huge game genre blew up on mobile, but one game looked suspiciously familiar, like a total clone.
In 2016, Riot Games, the makers of League of Legends, saw this new game and thought, wait a minute.
And here's the thing, this wasn't even the first time. Moonton had already been caught copying Riot's characters before. So Riot sued, and they came with receipts. They accused Moonton of lifting everything, map, characters, you name it.
But Moonton pulled a clever move. They took the game down, then immediately re-released it with a slightly different name.
Moonton's argument? This should be heard in China. The US court agreed, and just like that, Riot's lawsuit was toast.
But wait, this is where it gets messy. The company suing, Riot, is actually owned by the Chinese giant Tencent.
Turns out, before all this, Tencent secretly copied its own company's game to win the mobile market in China.
So, who was Moonton really copying? A look at the early game footage reveals something pretty shocking.
See, early on, Mobile Legends didn't just look like League. The map was a one-to-one copy of Tencent's game.
Investigators found old screenshots, and there it was, the smoking gun, hiding right in plain sight.
It was flipped upside down, but you can't miss it. This was the key piece of evidence.
Yep, Moonton literally left Tencent's logo in their own game. Oh, and Moonton's CEO? A former Tencent employee. So, the lawsuits just exploded. Tencent sued Moonton's CEO for breaking his contract and won big, like millions. But then, in a wild twist, Moonton sued Tencent back for defamation. And they won.
And all this time, Moonton kept on copying. We're talking promo music, new features, everything.
It got so blatant, they even copied custom Nike shoes from a Riot promo. Talk about an easy win, right?
Wrong. Moonton used the exact same legal trick and the US court dismissed the case, again.
So after years of fighting, the whole thing just ended. Not with a verdict, but a quiet private settlement.
And the final price tag for this copycat company? A mind-blowing $4 billion paid by ByteDance.
So Moonton built a global empire on copied work. It really makes you wonder, who's the real loser here?